Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today on Worldly Josieisms, we travel to the Netherlands. Click the like button, comment below where I should go next, and enjoy this video. The Netherlands, informally Holland, is a country in northwestern Europe with overseas territories in the Caribbean. It is the largest of the 4 constituent countries of the Kingdom of the Netherlands. The Netherlands consists of 12 provinces. It borders Germany to the east and Belgium to the south, with a North Sea coastline to the north and west. It shares maritime borders with the United Kingdom, Germany, and Belgium. The official language is Dutch, with West Frisian as the secondary official language in the province of Friesland. Dutch, English, and Papiamento are official in the Caribbean territories. People from the Netherlands are referred to as Dutch. The population as of 2025 is 18,044,027 people, and the currency used is the euro and the United States dollar. The Dutch flag, officially adopted in 1937, consists of 3 horizontal stripes, vermilion red, white, and cobalt blue. These colors symbolize bravery, strength in red, peace, honesty in white, and loyalty and justice in blue. Originally based on the orange-white-blue prince's flag of William of Orange, the red replaced orange in the 17th century for better visibility at sea and to represent the Republic. Now, I always thought it would be cool to say cheers in a different language. Proost is how you say cheers in Dutch. So as you grab your drink in a gathering, raise your glass and say Proost. How do you say cheers? The national drink of the Netherlands is Jenever, a traditional juniper-flavored spirit that serves as the predecessor to modern gin. Dating back to the 16th century, it is a protected spirit made from malt wine and juniper berries. It is commonly enjoyed neat or in a Kopstoot. Often called Dutch gin or Hollands, it originated in Netherlands. There are 2 main types, oude, meaning old, which is malty and sweeter, and jong, which is lighter and more neutral. Dutch courage. Historically, it was consumed by soldiers for its warming and calming effects. It traditionally sipped from a tulip-shaped glass filled to the brim. Popular brands are Bols, Root, Notaris, and De Bourgogne. I will leave a link for a Kopstoot recipe in the description box below. What is your country's popular drink? The national dish of the Netherlands is Stamppot, a hearty traditional winter comfort food consisting of mashed potatoes combined with mashed vegetables such as kale, sauerkraut, carrots, and onions, and typically served with a savory rookworst or smoked sausage and gravy. It is considered a quintessential, frugal, and filling home-cooked meal, representing Dutch culinary history. I will leave a link of a Stamppot recipe in the description box below. What is your country's popular dish? Dutch architecture includes the history of architecture within the current territory of the Netherlands, thereby excluding Belgium, which is often included in a broader term, the Low Countries. The distinct character of Dutch architecture was long denied. However, the richness of architectural creation in the Netherlands from the Middle Ages to the present day proves otherwise. Up until the 19th century, Architecture in the Netherlands shared significant similarities with that of Flanders, as these two regions had a common culture until the Renaissance. Nevertheless, Protestant commercial, pastoral, and free Holland since the 17th century does not resemble Catholic industrious Flanders, which was long subject to foreign rule. More concretely, unlike Flemish architecture, the use of stone in construction in the Netherlands has always been limited, as it is found only in a very small quantities in the territory. This scarcity pushed the Dutch to adapt to an architecture primarily based on brick, which was even used in road paving. A canal house is a house overlooking the canal. These houses are often slim, high, and deep. Canal houses usually had a basement and a loft and an attic where trade goods could be stored. A special beam or pulley installation would be located in the attic to hoist up valuable goods like spices, cotton, or heavier stuff like cocoa. In recent times, the pulleys are only used for moving furniture. At the back of the canal houses there will usually be a back garden that runs either halfway or to the house behind. The garden would be laid out to the taste of the time and the financial position of the owner. At the bottom of the garden there was sometimes a summer house where family and visitors can relax. In the second half of the 17th century, there would sometimes be built a rear extension of the building and linked by a passage to the front of the house. The courtyard ensured light. When the first owner of the house had more houses built by the same carpenter or contractor and using the same or more mirrored design, these are called twin or triplet houses. There are even sets of 4 or 5 identically designed houses. In those cases, the houses will be smaller than the normal house, as 3 houses were built onto 2 land lots. The width of the canal house and the depth of its garden varies a lot. This is because the land lots in the 17th century started from 18 feet, but then went to 20, 22, 24, and 26 feet. Staphorst stipwork is a traditional Dutch folk art from Staphorst, Netherlands, involving hand stamping colorful dot patterns onto dark fabrics and household items. Using homemade stamps, nails, and wooden bobbins, artists create vibrant, repeating geometric or floral designs primarily to decorate traditional costume, clothing, and accessories. Dots of paint are applied using small, self-made stamps often created from wood, bobbins, nails, or pins. Bright, contrasting colors, red, green, white, yellow, are stamped onto dark, muted, or black fabrics. Common designs include intricate floral patterns, leaves, and abstract shapes, traditionally decorating the kreplap or shawl, aprons, and caps of the Staphorst costume. The daisy was officially elected as the national flower of the Netherlands in 2023. The daisy was chosen by the public in a vote organized by the Dutch radio program Rogue Vogels. It was selected to represent the native flora of the country as it grows in the wild, unlike the tulip. The national color of the Netherlands is orange, representing the royal house of Orange-Nassau and a symbol of the national unity and pride. While the national flag is red, white, and blue, the color orange is used extensively for national celebrations like King's Day and international sporting events. The color originates from William of Orange, who led the Dutch revolt against Spain in the 16th century, with his family name becoming tied to national identity. It is deeply embedded in Dutch culture, seen during national holidays and sporting events. Orange represents the national pride, unity, and shared history, often worn loudly and proudly. The color extends to cultural references such as the breeding of orange carrots in 17th century as a tribute to the House of Orange. I will return with the end results. In the meantime, here are some beats. And here's my finished set, Netherlands inspired. Thank you so much for joining me on my voyage to the Netherlands today. I hope I was able to teach you some of the things I've learned based on my studies. And according to the most peaceful countries list evaluated by the Global Peace Index, the Netherlands is the 18th country on the list. And here is our flag of Netherlands. Often confused as the French flag, but the French flag has vertical stripes, not horizontal. And again, I love the flags when they're easy. And then, of course, this is the Stamppot stipwork. And I love these dot paintings. There are other cultures that use something similar like this that I really want to do other nail designs for. So I'm looking forward to that. And look how pretty the colors are. I just love these. And then, of course, last but not least, we have the national flower of the Netherlands, which is the daisy. And I did these with the 2-in-1 ombre paint gels with Varnail. The consistency is really good for painting flowers. I find it better than using acrylic paints, actually. And please don't forget that my nails, whenever you see this Etsy logo on the screen, that means the nails are available to purchase on my Etsy while they last. And all my other links and discount codes are in the description box as well. So thank you for joining me on Worldly Josieisms. Let me know where I should go next in my travels. This is Isms by Josie. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And thank you so much to all my viewers. I really appreciate it. You guys are super ultra amazing to me, and I can't forget that. I would be nothing without you. So love you guys. Thank you so very much. 1,000 times over. Very grateful. Thanks. And then also another thanks to all my Josieism members. I appreciate you all, and I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.